Hey art friends, today we are going to draw Lamington cake.
Yeah, with a funny face. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. I hope you're excited to follow along with us. I want to go to Australia now. How about you?
Oh, for sure.
Except for the spiders, but I would go for the Lamington cake. For this lesson, we're using our markers to draw and color with, but we're also using a white paint marker to add the coconut sprinkles on top. But when we get to the coloring part, if you don't have a white paint marker, you could just draw the coconut sprinkles first and then color the chocolate around the sprinkles. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's draw a square shape, but we're also gonna draw little round corners. So first, let's draw a line coming down, and we could draw a line coming down on this side to match. Ooh, I love how big you're gonna draw yours. Now I'm gonna be really hungry. Okay, now let's draw the top. We're gonna connect it with a little round corner and then a round corner over here too. Yes, then let's do the same thing down here. Round corner and then another round corner. Well, that's fun. We just drew a simple little rectangle shape. Okay, what's it missing?
A face.
Yeah, a funny face. Now let's draw a crazy funny face. I'm gonna draw like this, a line across. You could also change your funny face if you want. And then we're gonna draw open. No, I'm gonna draw really crazy. So a line down and over. And then this is my favorite mouth funny face to draw. I'm gonna draw teeth on the top and the bottom. And then we can draw the tongue inside. And then let's draw the other side of the mouth by just drawing a line up to connect. And then we'll color in the top part for the back of the mouth. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw them kind of low, so the mouth is high. And anytime we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. All right. Then let's draw the highlight or the small little reflection to make the eyes shiny. And then we're gonna color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And that's it. That's our Lamington cake. Well, it just looks like a square or rectangle with a funny face. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video at the end to match our same coloring. We're gonna color it yellow for the inside and also brown for the chocolate. We're almost finished. We have it colored in, but we're missing one important ingredient to make it Lamington cake.
Coconut flakes.
Yeah, and we have our paint marker that we're gonna paint on top of the chocolate. And we can just put little, oh, we might have to go over it a couple times to make it really stand out. But we're gonna put little dashed lines everywhere, just like regular coconut sprinkles. Oh, this is definitely making it more tasty. Now I'm really hungry. And also, do you know where I want to go now?
Australia.
Yes, this makes me want to visit. Just to get this fresh. You can't order it here, it's not the same. You have to go to Australia to get it someday. Now we're doing this with our paint marker, but like we mentioned before, at the beginning of the lesson, you can draw these little flakes or sprinkles on first, and then color around it with the chocolate so that it's still white. And then you have the coconut without using the paint markers, because these are kind of special. Now we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Lamington cake, but we also added legs and arms. It's now super friendly and happy. Now you guys can add even more things to your drawing, like a background.
You could also add more Lamington cakes.
Oh yeah, you could draw them standing on top of each other, like a big stack of them.
We hope you had fun drawing Lamington cake.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.